Good morning, children. Sairam, welcome to this session. Hope all of you all have written your exam very well. Now let us start with the second semester portion. We are going to start with lesson number 8, When I Was 12. Okay, those who have your textbook, you can open the lesson and keep. It is the next lesson, When I Was 12. We'll see the first part of that lesson. Okay, we'll see about the author. The author of the lesson is R.K. Lakshman. Okay, we'll read about the author. R.K. Lakshman from 1924 to 2015 was one of modern India's most important political cartoonists. From 1951 till his death, his pithy, satirical attacks on the trials and tribulations of ordinary Indians based in his character, the common man, appeared in the Times of India. His skills as a humorist were also evident in the few novels and many short prose sketches that he wrote over his career. He was a recipient of the Raman Magsaysay Award and the Padma Vibhushan. See, children, he was a cartoonist. How many of you like to draw cartoon pictures? Yes, many of you all love to draw cartoon pictures, isn't it? So, like that, he is one of the very important cartoonists and he has got lot of awards. Okay, Raman Magsaysay Award and Padma Vibhushan. He has got the awards. Okay, now let us start with the lesson. We all went to a Kannada municipal school. It was a most elegant school, not the kind of municipal schools we have today. Don't forget that the Maharaja of Mysore himself took a special interest in the school. Okay. See, this is an autobiography. It is an experience of the author himself, R.K. Lakshman. We all went means Lakshman is telling he went, he and his friends. Okay. We all went to Kannada Municipal School. So this is in Karnataka, okay, in Mysore. So they went to Kannada Municipal School. It was a most elegant school. It was a nice, stylish and a very good school. Not the kind of municipal schools we have today, Chile. It is not the type of municipal schools we have today. Today, you can see the municipal schools are not well maintained. Okay, the infrastructure is not good. There are no proper ventilation. You can see the in the school itself. By looking at the school, we can make out it is a municipal school which is not well maintained. But he is telling this Kannada municipal school was not that kind of municipal schools that we are having today. Don't forget that the Maharaja of Mysore himself took a special interest in the school. He is telling even the Maharaja of Mysore. That time the Maharaja was there in Mysore, isn't it? In Mysore, Mysore is a place in Karnataka. Even the Maharaja took a special interest in the school because that school was developed very well because the Maharaja of Mysore took interest in that school. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. So you can see here, this is the picture of the municipal school. See the garden around it. It is well maintained and it is very good school, elegant, stylish school. You can see here. This is the Lakshman and his friends are going to this school. Okay. All the teachers, with rare exceptions, were excellent. All our younger days were completely wrapped up in the experiences we had at school, the teachers having to pass an examination. Okay. See, Stille, this school, with rare exception, was excellent. So excellent. The school was so, the teachers were excellent in that school, and his younger days were completely wrapped in the experiences that he had in school. That is, even you all have a lot of experience in the school, isn't it, children? Sometimes there will be activities, you all enjoy the activities, there will be sports, there will be annual day. So you have a lot of experience in the school. Sometimes you get punishment. Okay, sometimes you enjoy the day, sometimes you sing, sometimes you have lot of curricular activities, co-curricular activities also. So you all enjoy your studying, isn't it? So you have a lot of experience like that. Even he has got a lot of experiences with the school, having to writing the examination with the teachers. He has got a very good number of experiences that he has spent in a school. Okay. Every child dreads the presence of a teacher, but I had a particularly nasty one. Being an arithmetic teacher, I don't think he had any sense of compassion, pity. That means he's telling every child, dreads means having great fear. He's telling every child has got fear of a teacher. Sometimes you get frightened of the appearance of the teacher. Might be the teacher is very strict or teacher is punishing you all if you don't do your homework. So that time you don't like the teacher, even the subject, isn't it? So he had a nasty one. I had particularly nasty. He did not like which teacher, children? Arithmetic teacher. Arithmetic means maths. Okay. I don't think he had any sense of compassion, pity. Compassion means concern for the sufferings. He was so harsh and rude, he did not have any compassion or in pity. Compassion means even pity, okay? So he was frightened of which teacher? The arithmetic teacher, because he was a rude man, very strict, and he did not have any concern for the sufferings. Okay? He was only committed to his arithmetic. Somebody has 3 mangoes, someone has 4. Together how much? Always he was only with his arithmetics. He was always talking only about his maths. This simple thing we couldn't get the hang of. This is, he was only committed means he was dedicated to arithmetic. He was only dedicated to maths. He was not talking about anything else except maths. Okay. And somebody, what was this question? Somebody has 3 mangoes, someone has 4. Together how much he's asking? Okay. How many mangoes? Addition. This is simple addition, isn't it? This simple thing we couldn't get the hang of. That is, learn in the proper way of doing. Hang of means because they were frightened of the teacher, even the simple addition they were finding it difficult. Okay. If I ask you what is 3 plus 3 mangoes plus 4 mangoes, easily you'll all tell, isn't it? But this Lakshman and his friends were also having fear for this teacher. So even the simple addition, they were finding it difficult. Okay. We could have, but he was such a formidable character that we felt that even if we got the right answer, we'd be beaten away. So we mumbled and he twisted our ears and shouted. Okay. He's telling we could have got the correct answer, but he was such a formidable character. Formidable means fearsome character that we felt that even if we got the right answer, we'd be beat. Sometimes what he does, even if you get the correct answer, they are frightened because he was beating them. So we mumble. Mumble means to speak quietly without opening your mouth. Sometimes you all do know, if you don't know the correct answer, you mumble. That means you tell it inside your mouth. We are not able to hear that answer properly. So when they mumbled, what he used to do? He used to he twisted our ears and shouted. He used to twist the ears. Just what is twist the ears? Just pushing to turning their ears like this. And he used to shout. That's why even the simple addition, they were not ready to open their mouth and tell the correct answer. They were always frightened of the teacher. That's why. Okay. He was the target of my caricature. What is caricature? A funny drawing of someone that makes him or her look silly. One day he had written the usual sum on the board. Ram has 3 mangoes, Krishna has 4. It was a simple sum, but quite beyond me. I thought he'd not ask me, so I sat hiding behind the others who, like me, were all short little boys. I started sketching. It looked very much like a tiger. Okay. So what is caricature? Caricature means a funny drawing. Many of you will do that, isn't it? You open your notebook and last page you start drawing something. When teacher is teaching, if you do all those, teacher will see, isn't it? So some sketching drawings about some boy or some vehicles, boys do all this, something or the other, they will be sketching. Same way, he was the target of my caricature, means he was Lakshman was very good in drawing this funny sketches, and he was the target. He wanted to draw this sir. So one day he had written this usual sum. What was the usual sum? Ram has got 3 mangoes, Krishna has got 4. It was a simple sum, but it was quite beyond me. Means it was he did not want to answer. He not it was going. He was not able to understand that. I thought he did not ask me, so I sat hiding behind the others. He was sitting in the last bench, and so he thought sir would not ask him, and he was sitting in the last bench, and he was hiding behind the others, little boys, and he started sketching. It looked very much like a tiger. He just thought his face, arithmetic sir's face, and he started sketching. That face resembled a tiger. Okay? But the body was like a man. And a man with bristling mustache, teeth, and all that developed as the questions went on. He was in the first row. I was in the last. I got involved in the caricature. A man with bristling means containing short, stiff, spiky hair. Okay, I'll show you the diagram, the drawings, the sketching which he had done. Okay, the man with bristling mustache, teeth, and all that developed as the questions went on. So, as he started drawing, he drew a man with sharp, short, stiff, spiky hair. Okay, and spiky hair, that is a mustache, was like that, and he drew teeth and all that. After he was sitting in the last row, and he was last bench, and he was drawing. He was deeply involved in his caricature. He forgot that sir was teaching, and he was involved in his caricature. Suddenly, I felt a piercing pain in my left ear. I turned. This monster was twisting my ear for having drawn him. He said, "So you have drawn me?" I said, "No, sir, I did not draw you." But he could recognize it through all that likeness to a tiger, that it was he. Of course, I was punished. Okay. Suddenly, what happened? He felt a piercing pain in his left ear. Okay, he did not realize that sir was standing near him. What was he doing? He was twisting his ears. Okay, and what did he ask? He is asking, did you, so you have drawn me? He is asking whether he has drawn him. But what did Lakshman say? He is saying, "No, sir, I did not draw you." But seeing at the picture, he could make out that Lakshman could Lakshman has drawn this teacher only, but because it was looking so rude like a tiger, so of course after that he was punished for that. You can see the picture of it, how is he sketching caricature. You can see that how he has drawn. The face was resembling a tiger, and the body, see how he is smiling also. Okay, and the body is like a man, only the face is resembling the tiger. Okay, so this was the caricature drawn by Lakshman, and because this sir came near him and identified, he recognized that he was drawing his sketch, he punished him. Okay, children, hope you all understood the story. You can just underline the hard words. Okay, and you can go through the lesson. I will continue the next part in the next video. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Sai Ram.